The video opens by addressing business analysts who want to break into product management, highlighting that the product analyst role often serves as the perfect secret bridge between business operations and product strategy. It sets the stage for the entire video, hooking the viewer by promising a comprehensive breakdown of the exact career path, including role differences, day-in-the-life examples, a concrete skills roadmap, and a salary comparison. Next is the core differences. This section clarifies the distinct focus areas of each role to eliminate common industry confusion. It explains that business analysts focus internally on improving business processes and system efficiencies, while product analysts shift their focus externally to user behavior, utilizing product data to find friction points in the software. Finally, it defines product managers as the ultimate owners of the product's a why and a what, moving beyond data analysis to set the strategic vision and lead cross-functional execution. Next is day in the life. To make these roles tangible, this part walks through a typical workday for each position, demonstrating how their daily tasks reflect their core differences. The business analyst's day is filled with gathering internal requirements, writing business documents, and testing internal tools, whereas the product analyst spends their time writing SQL queries, building data dashboards, and setting up A/B tests to measure feature performance. Meanwhile, the product manager's schedule is dominated by leading team stand-ups, conducting user interviews, writing product briefs, and fiercely prioritizing the roadmap by managing stakeholder requests. Next is Skills Roadmap for Transition. This segment provides a highly actionable, two-phase guide for leveling up from a business analyst to product manager. The first phase focuses on the technical leap to product analyst, emphasizing the need to master SQL, product analytics tools, and the fundamentals of A/B testing to understand user behavior. The second phase outlines the strategic shift to product manager, which requires mastering prioritization frameworks, connecting product metrics to company revenue, developing cross-functional leadership skills, and understanding UX and UI principles. Next is salary comparison. Highlighting the financial upside of this career progression, this section presents a clear salary comparison to motivate the viewer. It illustrates that as professionals move from business analyst to product analyst and finally to product manager, their earning potential increases significantly. The core takeaway delivered to the audience is that compensation scales proportionately with the amount of strategic ownership and revenue responsibility they take on for the product. Finally, outro and call to action. The video concludes with an encouraging reminder that transitioning from operations to product strategy is a marathon, and utilizing the product analyst. Thanks for watching.